Welcome to the Intelligence Test channel. Today we have prepared 120 math questions that will test your knowledge and help you practice your skills. Each question will present 4 answer choices, and you will have 5 seconds to think and choose the correct alternative. With that said, let's begin. Which of the following options presents an equation with an incorrect result? Option A, Option B, Option C, or Option D? The correct answer is Option C. The correct result is 27. What is 120 divided by 5? 20, 24, 22, or 26? The correct answer is Option B, 24. If 1 dozen equals 12 units, and half a dozen is 6 units, how many units are equal to 2.5 dozen? 30, 24, 36, or 28? The correct answer is Option A, 30. What number should be placed in the blank for the calculation below to be correct? 6, 5, 4, or 3? The correct answer is Option C, 4. David had $800 and spent $600. What percentage of the money remained? 25%, 50%, 20%, or 30%? The correct answer is Option A, 25%. What is 780 minus 512? 248, 268, 278, or 288? The correct answer is Option B, 268. What is the result of 3 times 5 times 7? 85, 115, 95, or 105? The correct answer is Option D, 105. 270 is 45% of 600. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. Michael ate 1/3 of a pizza and Celine ate 1/4. Which of the two ate more pizza? Celine, Michael, neither, or both ate the same amount? The correct answer is Option B, Michael. What number, when increased by 15%, results in 460? 400, 395, 380, or 420? The correct answer is Option A, 400. What is the name of the mathematical symbol shown below? Sum, pi, radical, or integral? The correct answer is Option C, radical. How many minutes are in 3.5 hours? 180, 200, 210, or 220? The correct answer is Option C, 210. In a city, 35% of the population is exclusively right-handed and 55% is exclusively left-handed. What percentage of the population is ambidextrous? 20%, 5%, 15%, or 10%? The correct answer is Option D, 10%. What is 6,898 multiplied by 3? 20,694, 19,694, 18,694, or 21,694? The correct answer is Option A, 20,694. All even numbers are divisible by 3. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. If you buy a magazine that costs $1 and pay with a $2 coin, how much change will you get back? 12 dimes, 20 nickels, 5 half dollars, or 2 nickels? The correct answer is option B, 20 nickels. 9 people complete a task in 5 days. How many more people would be needed to do the same work in 1 day? 36, 40, 45, or 50? The correct answer is option A, 36. Which number represents the value of pi? 2.14, 3.14, 4.13, or 3.41? The correct answer is option B, 3.14. Which numerical set does the number pi belong to? Natural numbers, integers, rational numbers, or irrational numbers? The correct answer is option D, irrational numbers. What is 324 minus 701? Negative 377, 387, 377, or negative 387? The correct answer is option A, negative 377. Which number comes next in the sequence below? 15, 17, 16, or 19? The correct answer is option C, 16. Which letter represents the number 1000 in Roman numerals? Letter D, letter C, letter M, or letter L? The correct answer is option C, letter M. Which of these fractions is the smallest? 5 ninths, 7 fifteenths, 2 fifths, or 3 tenths? The correct answer is option D, 3 tenths. What is the cosine of 0? 0, 1, negative 1, or 0.5? The correct answer is option B, 1. Which number is the largest? Negative 200, negative 10, negative 50, or negative 150? The correct answer is option B, negative 10. Which of these geometric shapes has a radius? Triangle, square, circle, or rectangle? The correct answer is option C, circle. The number 263 is a prime number. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. Samuel has 120 friends on Facebook, and 1/4 of them are male. How many male friends does he have? 20, 35, 25, or 30? The correct answer is option D, 30. What is 88 divided by 8? 9, 10, 11, or 12? The correct answer is option C, 11. Which triangle has more sides, isosceles or equilateral? Isosceles, equilateral, it depends on the measurements, or both have three sides. The correct answer is option D, both have three sides. What is the result of the equation shown below? -6, 6, -5, or 5? The correct answer is option B, 6. What is the name of the manual calculation instrument shown in the picture below? Solar calculator, protractor, abacus, or compass? The correct answer is option C, abacus. What is 30% of 140? 42, 35, 28, or 56? The correct answer is option A, 42. Which of these numbers cannot be written in Roman numerals? 0, 50, 33, or 500? The correct answer is option A, 0. What is the square root of 256? 14, 16, 18, or 20? The correct answer is option B, 16. Scalene triangles have two equal sides. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. What is the name of the line that divides a circle into two equal parts? Radius, perimeter, chord, or diameter? The correct answer is option D, diameter. What is the smallest prime number? 1, 2, 3, or 5? The correct answer is option B, 2. What is 3 raised to the power of 3? 6, 9, 27, or 81? The correct answer is option C, 27. If a business owner increases his workforce from 500 to 600, what will be the percentage increase? 10%, 15%, 20%, or 25%? The correct answer is option C, 20%. What is the height of a tower that casts a shadow of 120 meters, knowing that, at the same time, another tower 20 meters high casts a shadow of 50 meters? 45 meters, 48 meters, 50 meters, or 60 meters? The correct answer is option B, 48 meters. Which of the options below presents the largest number? -1/2, -2.5, -1, or -3? The correct answer is option A, -1/2. If we add all the numbers from 1 to 100, what will be the result? 4,950, 5,050, 5,100, or 5,500? The correct answer is option B, 5,050. What is 25% of 400? 50, 75, 100, or 125? The correct answer is option C, 100. What are the first three numbers in the Fibonacci sequence? 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, or 2, 3, 5? The correct answer is option A. 0, 1, 1. Which number comes next in the sequence below? 56, 81, 72, or 64? The correct answer is option D, 64. If 10% of a number is equal to 25% of 16, what is that number? 30, 35, 40, or 45? The correct answer is option C, 40. Which type of triangle has an interior angle greater than 90 degrees? Obtuse triangle, acute triangle, equilateral triangle, or isosceles triangle? The correct answer is option A. Obtuse triangle. In a club with 13 members, 11 play table tennis and 10 play chess. How many members practice both sports? 6, 8, 9, or 7? The correct answer is option B, 8. The Pythagorean theorem is used for any triangle. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. The number 191 is a prime number. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. Diophantus of Alexandria is considered the father of algebra. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. If a bag of grains weighs 50 grams, how many bags are needed to total 1 kilogram? 25, 30, 15, or 20? The correct answer is option D, 20. Which letter represents the number 50 in Roman numerals? Letter X, letter L, letter V, or letter C? The correct answer is option B, letter L. How many liters are equivalent to 80 cubic centimeters? 0.08 liters, 0.003 liters, 0.9 liters, or 5 liters? The correct answer is option A, 0.08 liters. What type of fractions have a numerator greater than or equal to the denominator? Improper fractions, proper fractions, equivalent fractions, or unit fractions? The correct answer is option A, improper fractions. Which of the options below presents the largest number? Square root of 3, 14/5, 2.7, or 3? The correct answer is option D, 3. The sum of the interior angles of any triangle is 360 degrees. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. Which option corresponds to the number 1,239,345? Option A, option B, option C, or option D? The correct answer is option A, 1,239,345. The Roman numeral MCDLV is equivalent to which of the following numbers? 1,475, 1,445, 1,465, or 1,455? The correct answer is option D, 1,455. What is 10% of 110? 10, 11, 12, or 15? The correct answer is option B, 11. A perfect number is a natural number that is equal to the sum of its proper divisors. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. 60% of 2000 is 1200. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. In a meeting with 60 people, there are 3 times as many women as men. How many men are present at the meeting? 10, 12, 15, or 20? The correct answer is option C, 15. What is the result of the equation shown below? 10, 15, 20, or 25? The correct answer is option A, 10. What is the result of the following addition? 3124, 4124, 4134, or 4224? The correct answer is option B, 4124. Which number comes next in the sequence below? 30, 40, 29, or 36? The correct answer is option D, 36. What is 90% of 600? 300, 490, 530, or 540? The correct answer is option D, 540. Besides Isaac Newton, which other mathematician is credited as a creator of calculus? Carl Friedrich Gauss, René Descartes, Blaise Pascal, or Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz? The correct answer is option D, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. Which letter is used to represent the set of rational numbers? Letter N, letter Z, letter Q, or letter R? The correct answer is option C, letter Q. What is the result of the equation shown below? 12, 24, 36, or 48? The correct answer is option A, 12. What number should be placed in the blank for the calculation below to be correct? 200, 300, 400, or 500? The correct answer is option B, 300. If all integers are real numbers, which of the following statements is correct? All real numbers are integers, no real number is an integer, every integer stops being a real number, or some real numbers are integers? The correct answer is option D, some real numbers are integers. What is 20% of 180? 30, 36, 40, or 45? The correct answer is option B, 36. An irrational number is one that cannot be expressed as a fraction. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. An acute angle is one that measures more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. Circumference is the term used to designate the area of a circle. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. What is the result of 25 times 25? 625, 500, 600, or 550? The correct answer is option A, 625. What is the result of the equation shown below? 36, 84, 49, or 42? The correct answer is option D, 42. What number should be placed in the blank for the calculation below to be correct? 900, 800, 700, or 600? The correct answer is option A, 900. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle is always 360 degrees. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. Two angles are considered supplementary if the sum of their measures is equal to 90 degrees. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. What is the square root of 256? 12, 14, 16, or 18? The correct answer is option C, 16. Which of the following numbers is a multiple of 8? 95, 102, 87, or 96? The correct answer is option D, 96. 3 is what percent of 12? 25%, 15%, 40%, or 5%? The correct answer is option A, 25%. What is the square root of 324? 19, 17, 18, or 20? The correct answer is option C, 18. In a right triangle, the hypotenuse is the side opposite the right angle. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. What is 1,288 plus 3,885? 4,973, 5,063, 5,273, or 5,173? The correct answer is option D, 5,173. If two dice are rolled, what is the probability that their sum equals 2? 1/6, 1/12, 1/36, or 1/18? The correct answer is option C, 1/36. The Roman numeral CMXLV is equivalent to which of the following numbers? 945, 855, 765, or 675? The correct answer is option A, 945. What is the result of the equation shown below? 1/8, 2/15, 1/6, or 3/10? The correct answer is option B, 2/15. Which number comes next in the sequence below? 10, 11, 12, or 13? The correct answer is option B, 11. A family consumes 3/4 kilogram of bananas daily. How much do they consume in 5 days? 6 kilograms, 2.5 kilograms, 3.75 kilograms, or 4 kilograms? The correct answer is option C, 3.75 kilograms. What type of fractions have a numerator smaller than the denominator? Proper fractions, improper fractions, equivalent fractions, or unit fractions? The correct answer is option A, proper fractions. What is 15% of 380? 50, 57, 60, or 65? The correct answer is option B, 57. If 3 equal pieces of 17/3 meters each are cut from a 25-meter pipe, how many meters of the pipe will remain? 6 meters, 7 meters, 8 meters, or 9 meters? The correct answer is option C, 8 meters. If we add all the numbers from 1 to 9, what will be the result? 40, 42, 45, or 50? The correct answer is option C, 45. What is the area of a triangle with a base of 7 centimeters and a height of 8 centimeters? 28 square centimeters, 32 square centimeters, 35 square centimeters, or 40 square centimeters? The correct answer is option A, 28 square centimeters. A couple has 3 children. What is the probability that the oldest child is a boy and the youngest is a girl? 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, or 1/8? The correct answer is option C, 1/4. Which number comes next in the sequence below? -15, -17, -18, or -22? The correct answer is option B, -17. What is the least common multiple of 21 and 28? 84, 98, 105, or 112? The correct answer is option A, 84. David stored 23 books in 4 boxes. Then, he removed 5 books from each box, leaving 3 books in total. What is the quotient of the division? 4, 5, 6, or 7? The correct answer is option B, 5. What is the result of 22 times 6? 122, 132, 142, or 152? The correct answer is option B, 132. If the side of a square increases by 10%, by what percentage will its area increase? 33%, 10%, 21%, or 15%? The correct answer is option C, 21%. 15 dozen equals how many units? 180, 160, 200, or 150? The correct answer is option A, 180. A container has 3/4 of a gallon of paint. If half a gallon is used for painting, how much paint will remain? 1/4 gallon, half a gallon, 3/8 gallon, or 2/3 gallon? The correct answer is option A, 1/4 gallon. An icosahedron is a polyhedron with 1,000 faces. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. What are 2 lines called that form equal angles when they intersect? Parallel, coincident, intersecting, or perpendicular? The correct answer is option D, perpendicular. What is the result of 27 minus 13 plus 8? 20, 22, 24, or 26? The correct answer is option B, 22. What is 10% of 100? 10, 7, 15, or 20? The correct answer is option A, 10. 600 is what percent of 800? 60%, 65%, 70%, or 75%? The correct answer is option D, 75%. I am reading a 325-page book and have just reached page 168. How many pages are left for me to finish the book? 157, 158, 159, or 160? The correct answer is option A, 157. What is 366 plus 375? 731, 741, 751, or 761? The correct answer is option B, 741. What is 60% of 1000? 650, 700, 500, or 600? The correct answer is option D, 600. In how many different ways can you select 3 books from a total of 6? 20, 18, 15, or 10? The correct answer is option A, 20. Complementary angles are those whose sum of measures is equal to 180 degrees. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. What is 15% of 200? 25, 30, 35, or 40? The correct answer is option B, 30. A number plus 2 is equal to negative 10 minus 3 times the number itself. What is that number? Negative 5, negative 2, negative 4, or negative 3? The correct answer is option D, negative 3. Arthur's age is 1/5 of 5/3 of Jack's age. If Jack is 48 years old, how old is Arthur? 12, 39, 16, or 28? The correct answer is option C, 16. How many questions did you get right? Leave your answer in the comments, and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. That's all for today, but there's still much more to come. If you consider yourself smart, click on the video appearing on your screen.